So, a quick overview of the gateway. This is the dashboard. It shows the number of requests, how many tokens were used, and what those tokens cost. Your open router balance is pulled in and shown right here. Latency, and the number of successful requests. Here you can see the system load. And here you can look at the statistics in more detail. This is the models section. You can add a new model, pick a provider. And set an API key. Pricing for a new model is fetched automatically. You can also add a local model. In our own format or connect at existing local Llama or LM Studio. And in this section, you can import ready-made CMF format models. It warns you right away if you are low on disk space. You can also convert any model you need straight from Hugging Face. For example, type the model name, choose the quantization quality, and press Convert. The model starts converting to the CMF format. Then you press Connect. It lands on your disk. And starts automatically on a free port. This is routing. You set the complexity boundaries here, the thresholds for easy, medium, and hard requests. And you choose which models handle easy, medium, and hard traffic. Next, you can assign models to specific tasks. For coding, say, you can pick one particular model or split it like it is done here. Simple code goes to the local model. Medium code goes to the fast DeepSeek. The interface is translated into your language automatically, and there are several. Visual styles. All the protocols are supported. These are the API keys. Let's add a new key for remote access. A key has a name, a permanent rate limit, and a budget. If you deploy this gateway in an office, you can give every user their own budget. And right here you get ready-made configurations for popular harnesses and IDEs. For example, choose Open Code. Enter a key, then simply copy and paste it into the terminal and the configuration is applied and everything starts automatically. You can pick your operating system. Here you can test how it will work. Choose a model or auto routing and try it out. You can also generate an image if an image generation model is loaded. Video as well. There are ready-made models for video generation. That one takes about 25 gigabytes. Here you can inspect the router's decision. For request, thinking mode can be turned off in the settings. See, it picked the chat label. The easy tier with a score of 0.29, the model it chose, the route source, and tokens per second. And once everything is configured, you will want to check how your setup actually behaves. There is a built-in benchmark. Launch it and it starts sending requests. Each request also shows its costs. This is DeepSeek, an inexpensive model, very cost-effective. To use, you can add your own tests here if you need to. There is a quick test. And a full test. The full one also checks the hard tasks. You can follow it in the log. Now the settings, the router address is pre-configured by default. You can get a key. For free, click here, go to the site, and the key arrives by email. Paste it in and you are ready to go. You can also enable telemetry and turn on the semantic. Cache. Similar requests will then be answered straight from the cache. This is where our model format is wired in. It can update itself whenever a new release comes out. Here you can see your local models, switch them to GPU or CPU, and adjust their settings. I think this product is a great fit for offices. You can deploy it. For the whole company and everyone can use it.